Hi guys, it's Lisa with Hobby Time again. So today's a little bit of a different video. It's kind of a blind bag, mostly for you guys, but it's gonna be a lot of fun. It's stuff I collect and have been passionate about. So you just have to come along with the ride and find out with me. So let's get into it, okay? Hey y'all, so this is where I'm trying to make it as blind bag as possible for you guys. Sorry, this one's like shiny from my light. They're going to be Among Us. This is the ejected edition little minifig collection. So we could possibly get any of these in here. Which, I love these little minifigs. I have a ton of them. Well, okay, I say a ton, but like, we'll say about 20 plus. My dragon decided to be involved. Get back over here. So I'm going to flip these over one by one, and that's how they'll be blind bag for you guys. And I mixed them up, so I really don't know which one I'm picking up. We'll start over here. Ready? Boop. Okay, cool. They don't have names, but we'll open them up anyway. You can collect them and just leave them in these things. I have a whole shelf where I just have them displayed. But I like taking them out and have them like this. These guys are so cute. I just like the little figures. And these are the Among Us game. Guys, collector. Some more ASMR for you guys. Crinkle, crinkle. He's really... Good lord. He's really in here. Give me my toy. Ugh. Okay. So they're just that hard plastic. But he's like... He's got his sunglasses, little money thing. He's blinging out. I like him. And I guess maybe there's like I know there's like a ship that these guys can be on, but I just have him displayed. He's really cute. Little money man. I like that they can kind of prop half on their backpack here. Oh, I thought it was a list. No, it's just like this thing. I like the mohawk. When I play the lime green guy, he's got a crazy eyeball. When I play the lime green, I always put that purple mohawk on mine. Alright, let's pull this one. He's got his mustache. Hopefully he comes out a little like... Okay. Well, he just fell out. Yes, I'm just shushing it off the table. Okay, he's got his hard hat, his little mustache, he's brown. Super cute. I love the little accessories they put on these guys. In the game, you can dress up your guy however you'd like. And I think that's really cute. And as the game progresses and they update it and stuff, they have more stuff you can put on your little characters and stuff. I think it's really cute. I really like them. These are just painted on. They're not stickers. Anyway, let's keep going. Bam. Oh my gosh. Okay. As you can see, maybe you can see, he's got the mohawk. We got this guy. I got these at Five Below. So, and Five Below is a hit and miss as far as being able to find these guys. Sorry. They have like another set, but I already had all those, so I'm just looking for the ejected ones. Look at those colors. I love his mohawk. If I could rock that, I would. I already have like the shaved sides and the long top for my own hair. If I could rock this and actually like not have to constantly have an upkeep, I would. Totally would rock this mohawk. But sadly I have to have a real job for now. It's up to you guys if you sub for me. Alright. Oh, green guy. Okay. So he has, I guess that's supposed to be a Santa hat, but wouldn't this part be red? They just get lazy? I don't know. But he's kind of got a Santa hat. Really cute. He's just basic kind of, but he's cute. I like him. And I like that we're getting some of these different colors here. I'll bring them in a little better here. Sit on your backpack, sir. Sir. Some of their hats are a little heavier. I still think he's my number one. I wish he was green with the hair, because then he'd be like my guy, but he's still pretty cool. His hair's too heavy. He has to lay all the way down. Then we got Construction Worker Man. All right, ready, guys? Who else we got? Boom! Orange guy with a mask. Sometimes I've been able to pinch this back part and they pop right out, and other times I have to fight them. Okay, so he's got his little face mask on all the way around. Cute! Cute, cute, cute. And the other thing, like, if you go shopping, you don't have to make them blind bags because you know what you're getting. Obviously, I'm not going to get any dupes because I picked them. But, ready? Bam! Oh, Doctor Guy. Okay. But they're blind for me right now because I mixed them all up, so I don't know which one I'm picking up at the time. Maybe it's just packaging that doesn't like me. I dress my guy up as a doctor every so often when I play the game. With the mohawk, of course. So he's the cool doctor. Non-scary. Anyway, white guy. A little doctor outfit. Super cute. He's got, like, little details on him. Super cute. I like that. Last one, guys. Last one. Which one's y'all's favorite? So, oh! Huh. I wonder if the ejected edition means all these guys were sus and were the imposters? Or are they just the ones who got kicked out? And there are all these innocent lives here. Okay, so he's like a light tan. Because obviously this guy's like the brown. Kind of like a Tootsie Roll poop brown. He's like a light tan. He's got a bag on his head. It's cute. And no, these don't come off. These are very much on. These are cute. Cute little collectibles. I mean, they're tiny. Tiny. But I like these a lot. Which one of these guys was y'all's favorite? Or who do you play as or collect or whatever? How do you dress up your guy? Let me know. Excuse me, why are you looking at everybody else? Stop. You already been ejected. Whatever. My hand only can hold so many, like I said, I have small hands. But, pretty cool, right? I love these. As I find them, because Five Below doesn't always have them in stock, and they're kind of hard to find, but they have some others. I'll try to keep getting them, and I'll have to put in my collection at some point and show you guys all my crazy collection of them. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit that like button for me. Let me know what you think. And we'll have some other videos of my blind bags popping up over here and here. And then keep on sticking with me and we'll have some more fun. Alright. Bye, guys.